Usain Bolt trained for 20 years. You saw him for 9.58 seconds. Kobe Bryant made 1,000 shots a day during practice. You saw the 5-time NBA champion. Muhammad Ali ran 5 miles every single morning. You saw the greatest boxer of all time. Eliud Kipchoge ran over 200 kilometers every week. You saw the first man to run a marathon in under 2 hours. Michael Phelps trained every single day for 5 years. You saw the most decorated Olympian of all time. Success is relentless. It takes far longer than you think. Just because you haven't achieved it yet doesn't mean you won't.